Welcome to Swathi Vlogs. Today our dish is red chili paste. Very easy to prepare and can be stored easily. Let's start cooking. Get fresh red chilies and remove their peduncles. Now, take 50 grams of tamarind and soak it in water. Cut the chilies into halves and blend it to coarse texture. Now add the soaked tamarind and adequate amount salt, as per taste. Blend it to a fine paste. Grab a pan and add mustard seeds and fenugreek seeds and shallow fry them. Add the fried seeds to blender and blend it to powder. Grab a pan and add 6 tablespoons of oil. Once oil is hot, add lentils, red gram and mustard seeds and fry them. Add curry leaves. Add 3 dried chilies and fry them. Now add 5 garlic cloves and fry them. Now switch off the flame and then add a pinch of hing powder and initially blended powder. Now add the mixture to chili paste and mix it well. The dish is now ready to serve. Please like, share and subscribe for more delicious content. Thank you for watching.